special gut base for you. So let's take home. I'm gonna take a shower and then I'll be back. Alright, so it is currently it's time to go make coffee. So my goal is actually be getting up an hour earlier than what I did today at 3, because that'll give me 6 hours of sleep if I go to bed at 9, because I shut down really quick in the evening, and I can't really get a lot done later in the evenings. I mean, I can, it's just like pulling a lot of strings, and so I'm just a lot more productive in the early morning, like right now. So, what I'm trying to do is just plan around that, and so it looks like by planning around that, I'm getting up earlier. So basically what I've done so far is set my alarm off 3:55, got up, got a hoodie, got combed my hair, brushed my teeth, went to the bathroom, that kind of thing. Then I went upstairs, made myself a lovely coffee. Would have been better with ice, but the ice machine's loud. And now I have a lot of homework to do, so I am going to get started on some of that. So if I pull up my lovely to-do window here, I'll show you how much I have to get how much I have to get done, and then I'm gonna turn you all off. I want to time lapse and just kind of get to work. There's also a couple videos I need to edit, a lot of homework, and a lot of that kind of stuff. My school website doesn't want to load. Let's see what we can do about that. Also, hoodies are in the description below. Also, if you guys didn't know, I do most of my scheduling all that fancy fun stuff over in Notion. So that's actually what I have up on this monitor right here. So this lovely template I found on Notion's website has like the time, stuff I want to get done today, my weather, a motivational quote, my calendar right about there, and then linked to-do lists down here. So, I love Notion. If you haven't used it, you should try it out. this is where I kind of sit in the morning. Just got here, just parked. It's around, what time is it? It's around 6:35, and here is where I do my devotion and all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna go and work on that, and then I will catch you guys as we head over to school. So yeah, just a beautiful place at the end of the runway, at the end of the airport. It's about 37 seconds from school. So yeah, just gotta go that way until an intersection and I'm there. So yeah, it's about 30 seconds that way to school. So it's a great place to do a devotional. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll see you guys in a bit. What's the best part of the day? Time to go to class, or at least school, where I'll work on more TCSs and that kind of stuff. So let's go. Just got home, absolutely exhausted. Time for homework. Come on, stupid TDS project to do. So I currently have ever and ever so much homework to do. I have that really big project I need to get done. But this should be it actually. That's my one project I have left, and then I can actually work on scheduling photos for social media and maybe go to bed early because I just had some chicken, so I'm gonna call that dinner because it is 4:40 and I just had 3 pieces of chicken. So call that dinner, and maybe I can actually get to bed a little bit earlier tonight. We'll see. Today was pretty uneventful overall. Homework. I was gonna do a lab, wound up not doing it because homework, and then I got called off to do a couple other things, a couple demos. So yeah. So I gotta do homework. I gotta do the dumb TCDS thing. So here we go again.